students will create a list of reasonable restrictions they think should be followed online to ensure safety and respect, such as not sharing personal information or avoiding inappropriate content. Approach. Before students create a list of reasonable restrictions for online safety and respect, it's important to guide them through a structured process to help them think critically about what behaviors should be regulated in online spaces. Here are steps to approach this project. 1. Introduction to online safety and respect. Begin with a brief explanation of why online safety is crucial. Discuss the types of online risks like cyberbullying, scams, and privacy violations. Show real-life examples or videos demonstrating both safe and unsafe online behaviors to provide context. 2. Group brainstorming. Divide the class into small groups and ask them to brainstorm potential risks they face or observe online. Have each group identify unsafe online practices and areas where they feel restrictions are needed to protect themselves and others. 3. Define reasonable restrictions. Help students understand the concept of reasonable restrictions, rules that protect individuals while ensuring they can still enjoy the benefits of online interaction. Provide examples like not sharing personal details with strangers or avoiding inappropriate websites. 4. Prioritize the restrictions. Ask each group to come up with a list of 5 to 7 reasonable restrictions based on their brainstorming session. Let each group present their list and explain why they chose those specific restrictions. 5. Class discussion on the lists. Facilitate a class-wide discussion to evaluate the suggestions from each group. Encourage students to debate which restrictions are most important and why. Aim to consolidate the group's ideas into one final class-wide list of 8 to 10 reasonable restrictions. 6. Reflect on enforcement. Engage students in a conversation about how these restrictions can be enforced, whether by schools, parents, online platforms, or through personal responsibility. Ask students to think about how they can ensure they and others follow these restrictions. 7. Personal reflection and action plan. Have each student write a short reflection on what they learned from the project and how they will personally follow the restrictions in their online behavior. Ask them to create an action plan listing 2 to 3 steps they will take to ensure they stay safe and respectful online. This approach fosters collaboration, encourages thoughtful discussions, and leads students to take ownership of their online safety and behavior.